everybody, today I'm in Sugar Creek, Ohio to show you the world's largest cuckoo clock. Sugar Creek is a really neat little village with a lot of shops. I recommend coming and checking out. I really love to come here. So much stuff to do. I really wanted to show you guys the whole clock working and everything, but there's a copyright claim on it, on the audio, so I can't show it. I'm really sorry. I hope you guys still enjoy this video. That was pretty cool. The Swiss Hilltoppers. Nice. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Click like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.